Welcome to the MachaOn-C1 project demo. This project is a one-of-part Python-oriented Mach-C project. In this short video we will show the structure, setup and functionality of this container application, and show how to build and run it. The MachaOn-C1 project is a fully containerized solution that integrates three main components: the front-end, back-end, and gateway. The front-end delivers the user interface and interacts with the API gateway. The back-end processes the core business logic and communicates with external systems like Commercetools, which acts as the backing system for managing users, products, and orders. To start, let's clone the MachcOn-C1 project using git svn clone. Run the following command: git svn clone. After some time, the command will download all the project files from the repository. Once the cloning process is complete, navigate into the project directory. Once we have the project cloned, we'll use Docker to set up and start the application. Run the command docker compose up. This will start all three services: front-end, back-end, and API gateway, building container images and setting up the application environment automatically. You will see logs indicating that the containers have started successfully. After the application is up and running, let's open the application in a browser. Navigate to the home page of the application. Here, you can see the available features and options to interact with the system. Next, let's try submitting an order without authorization. Go to the Submit Order dialog and enter some order details. When you attempt to place the order, you'll receive an error message indicating that the request is unauthorized. This demonstrates that the application enforces security and requires users to be logged in before certain actions can be performed. Now, let's try logging in with a non-registered user. Enter a random username and password on the login dialog and submit the form. As expected, the login attempt fails because the user is not registered, and the application shows an unauthorized error message on the screen. Let's proceed to the registration process. On the registration dialog, enter a new username, email, and password, then click the Register button. The application will process the registration request and display a success message upon registering the new user. To verify the registration, let's check the Commercetools platform. Log into Commercetools, navigate to the Customer section, and search for the newly registered user. You'll see that the user has been created in the system with all the provided details. Now, let's log in with the newly registered user. Go back to the login dialog, enter the correct username and password, then click Login. Upon successful authentication, you'll receive a JWT token, which allows you to interact with the secured API endpoints. Finally, let's submit an order as an authenticated user. Go to the Submit Order dialog, fill in the necessary order details, and click Submit. This time, the order is processed successfully, and you'll receive a confirmation message along with the unique order ID. To explore the available RESTful endpoints of this project, we can navigate to FastAPI Docs page. This page features an interactive Swagger UI, automatically generated by FastAPI. It provides a detailed view of all API endpoints, including login, registration, product listing, and order submission, along with the request and response formats. Thank you for watching this demo of the MachaOn-C1 Containers application.